Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review of R.E.A.L Science Odyssey, Life Science. Science Odyssey is a parent-friendly, rigorous, and complete science series. Each book of R.E.A.L Science Odyssey provides a curriculum for one school year that is written for use indoors and out. It covers the microscopic as well as the macroscopic and is sequential, so that one chapter and one grade build upon another. Each topic of RSO Level 1 is presented in an entertaining story-like format and is followed by hands-on activities along with background science information, parent instructions, labs, reading lists, journaling ideas, and websites. With RSO, your child will be introduced to more science than you ever thought possible in a way that aims to cultivate a lifelong love of science. Each book in the R.E.A.L Science Odyssey series systematically presents important scientific skills at age-appropriate levels, including the scientific method, speculation, hypothesis, and experimentation, observation skills, analytical skills, comparisons, forming questions, interpretation, and mathematics. R.E.A.L Science Odyssey Life Level 1 covers the human body, the plant kingdom, and the animal kingdom.